Deep in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia lives one of nature's most bizarre and brilliant illusions. Leptocentrus taurus, the bull-horned treehopper, a creature so small it can perch on the edge of a fingernail, yet so striking that it looks like a fantasy monster sculpted in miniature. With long, upward curving horns that seem far too dramatic for its tiny frame, this insect isn't a fighter or a predator. It's a plant sapper and a master of mimicry. Its horns aren't weapons, but an evolutionary masterpiece. An extension of its pronotum, sculpted over millions of years to look exactly like a sharp plant thorn, fooling birds, lizards, and even monkeys that might otherwise pluck it off a branch. But even this disguise isn't enough. As Leptocentrus taurus inserts its syringe-like mouthparts into the stems of plants to feed on sweet, flowing sap, it must remain still and exposed. A dangerous position in a world full of predators and parasites. To survive, it forms a secret alliance with ants, offering them tiny droplets of sugary honeydew, a valuable payment that turns the ants into bodyguards, constantly patrolling the insect's territory and attacking anything that threatens it. These ants don't just defend, they swarm, bite, and chase away enemies far larger than themselves, making them a living security system. But the danger doesn't stop there. Parasitic wasps have evolved to bypass even the ant guards, laying their eggs inside treehopper nymphs, turning them into slow-motion horror stories where young wasps hatch and consume their host from within. The nymphs of L. taurus are no less strange. Spiny, armored, and often seen grouped together, guarded by lines of ants like tiny livestock tended by farmers. Some species even show signs of parental care, an extreme rarity among insects, with mothers standing watch over eggs and newly hatched young. And then there's the mystery of communication. These insects use substrate vibrations, silent tremors through leaves and stems, to signal danger, find mates, or coordinate movements, a whole hidden language that we're only beginning to understand. What seems at first like a simple bug with a weird shape unfolds into a universe of complexity. Camouflage as defense, alliances as survival, parasitism as horror, and evolution as artist. Every element of Leptocentrus taurus, from its thorn-like disguise to its relationship with ants and its role in the ecosystem, reveals a deeper truth about the intelligence of nature, where even the tiniest creature is shaped by ancient pressures, intricate strategies, and silent wars fought on a microscopic scale. In a world obsessed with big predators and dramatic chases, this unassuming insect proves that sometimes the most astonishing stories belong to the smallest lives. Lives that exist at the edge of vision, hidden in plain sight, balanced between danger and deception, and connected to every part of the living forest.